Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for you guys to see how I created this makeup look when I first posted it on my Instagram, which if you're not following me, hello, what are you doing with your life? If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me because I post a lot of makeup pictures, and from there you guys want me to recreate it and do it on my YouTube channel, and here we are. Anyway, I really hope you guys enjoy this makeup tutorial, and if you guys want to see how to recreate this easy, simple, glam makeup look, then just keep on watching. All right, girl, let's check out our palettes. I wanted to mention, if you guys don't have this specific palette, you can definitely use pretty much whatever you have. These colors are so basic and so normal that you're gonna find them in any palette that you have. So as you can see, I already primed my eyes. I like to use my concealer to prime my eyes. I'm too lazy to go in with a primer and then concealer and then set my eyes, so I just stick with the basic, with the easy. Yeah, don't mind my nails. I probably will go get them done today. This one broke. Look at that. I have midget hands. We're going to start off with this shade first. This is my favorite shade because it's just so warm and so neutral that it just works perfectly on the crease. I'm going to take a fluffy crease brush and we're going to apply that right here. I'm just taking my shadow and I'm rounding it off like this. Once we have that first shade laid down, we're going to move on to the second one, which is going to be this one right here. It's this really pretty terracotta brown with like some red undertones. If you guys own Makeup Geek Cocoa Bear, I believe, that one could be a pretty good dupe. I actually really like this palette because it's super creamy. It blends so nice. It's so pigmented. We're just going to take a brush and apply that color right here into the crease. I'm actually going to take my favorite brush, which is the Morphe M514, and I'm just going to go back and reinforce the color. And again, I'm just going to do back and forth windshield wiper motions. I always get asked, how do you make your eyeshadow stand out? How do you make it pop in pictures? First of all, editing has a lot to do with it. But one thing that I can recommend for you guys to do is to pack on your colors. Go back as many times as you need and reinforce the shades, because that way they're going to pop out so much more, stand out, and they're going to be that more vibrant on your pictures. So as you can see, the eyeshadow is nice and laid, it's nice and blended. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a brush like this. This is from the AOA from Miss A. If you guys saw that $1 challenge, it was a challenge. I'm just going to use this cream vanilla shade, and I'm going right underneath the brow bone. And this just makes it pop, so your eyebrows your eyebrows look nice and carved, they look clean. And this is also a perfect chance if you ever take your shadow way up high and you want to bring it low, just grab any shade that is not shimmer, it has to be matte, apply it on the crease, and then just blend it down, and it'll help with the transition not being up so high. And there it is. That is pretty much our eye look. Now we're going to go in and cut the crease. I'm going to show you guys how I just cut my crease. I know that it's very basic, but for all my new beginners out there. So what I like to do is I like to put a little bit of concealer in a mixing palette. This is from e.l.f. Super inexpensive, and it comes in so handy. And I'm going to take a flat brush, which is usually my preferred choice. I just feel like this helps me cut the crease a lot better. And we're just going to lean back. You can look forward first to see where your crease naturally folds. And you just want to go a little bit above that, just so when you have your eyes open, you can see the shadow. Just like that. And then now we're going to go in and clean up everything. A little trick that I wanted to share with you guys, if your brush is not flat enough, grab a little bit of setting spray or primer water, and then just do this. And then just clean off your brush. And it's nice and flat, and so it makes it so easy to go in there and just cut the crease to perfection. So now that we have our crease nice and clean, I am going once again back into the palette and picking up this vanilla shade. This is my favorite shade to use when I'm going for an all matte look. So there we have it. Now, can you guys tell a difference on this eye, how this crease right here just looks super clean? A little trick slash tip that I have for you guys, again, going back into a flat brush. These are from Shop Miss A. They're only $1 each, which if you buy the set, it's like 10 bucks. It's super inexpensive, but I'm just going to clean this off, and I am going back into cherry wood, and we are dipping the brush I can't talk, literally just the tip. And we're going to go back into the crease and just clean it up a little bit, just make it a little bit more sharp. Going back into the shade and then this one, and we're just going to smoke out the outer crease. So now for the fun part. You guys loved this look so much, and honestly, so did I. So we're going to draw our wing. Now, this ain't no basic everyday wing liner. This is a red wing, fierce, get out of my way, bitch. I'm coming for your man. Just kidding. I'm taking a liquid eyeliner. Yes, a liquid eyeliner. This is by Sephora. It is their cream lip stain in the shade 01. Our eyes are done. Let's move on to the face. I am going to be using today the Pro Contour Palettes by Frankie Rose Cosmetics. This is such a underrated brand, and I don't understand why. It's very popular for their Pro Matte Foundation, but this palette is amazing. You guys need it in your life if you don't have a contour palette. I'm just going to take this shade and this one, and we're just going to chisel out the cheekbones. I'm also going to take a little bit of that and take it to my jaw, just so we can pretend we don't have a double chin, but we really do. Now that we have that, I'm going back into a bronzer, and I haven't used this one in a while. If you guys are my loyal followers, if you've been riding with me since, I don't know, at least 2, maybe 3 years ago, you guys know that my favorite bronzer is this one by MAC. It's the Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Dark Deep. I love this because even though it does have some orange undertones, like a lot of warmth, it just makes my skin look so tan and rich, and it almost looks like I went to the sun and I just bathe in it. For my highlight, you guys know that I have been obsessed with the Embreezy / Anastasia Beverly Hills highlights. So we're just going to bathe ourselves as per usual. Now for lip liner or lipstick in general, you guys can pretty much do whatever. I feel like a red lipstick will look really nice. It'll tie really nicely with the eyeliner, but I like to stick to my nudes. So I'm just going to line my lips using the Italia lip liner in the shade Brown, and add a lip gloss and call it a day, honey. Now to seal everything, keep it in place, we want to make sure that we look cute all day. Let's take a little bit of setting spray. My favorite one for the past months has been I'm hungry. Has been the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day, honey. Makeup setting spray. This is in the scent Coconut. Oh, it's so weird because I don't eat coconuts. Ask anybody that knows me. Like, I don't like coconut cake. I don't like anything involving coconut, but I love the scent. And that is it. Super simple, right? I love how this look is so sultry. It's so sexy and glam. Different, unique, beautiful, yet it's super simple. I really hope you guys recreate this look. If you do, please tag me on Instagram. Send me your pictures on Snapchat, tweet me, you can Facebook me. I will have all my social media links down below. I love interacting with you guys and just showing you love because I love when you guys recreate my looks. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.